Hi there and welcome to the game. That is PGA Tour 2K23. I am ready to roll. And let's get things going. Let's have a good drive here. We have a par 4 first hole. Let's get this. Looks like sand in her future. Setting up here just in the first cut. Well, that'll work for you. And sink this next putt and you'll grab that birdie. Oh, birdie putt as well. Oh, that could have been good. And let's get going. Give this a tap and we'll move on. And after that one, currently sitting at even par. All right, let's see what we can do off the tee here. It's a long par 4. Oh, this one's dropping fairway for sure. This is about 160 to the pin. And that will play. Thank you very much. This one's just a 3-foot putt. Okay, we're moving. We're moving to the next. And after that one, you'll go down to 1 under par. Well, see if you can use the tailwind on this hole. And here's your second shot here on the third. Nicely done on the green and on an under regulation, mind you. This is for eagle. Looking super. Oh, it's going right by the hole. Here we go. Drop this one for birdie. And after that hole, you'll go down to 2 under. Teeing up here on the 4th hole. This one's looking pretty good. Okay, this is about 160 or so to the pin. Come on, get right. That's safe. Here's an 18-foot putt. Ouch, right by the hole. On this hole, we've got this left for par. All righty, let's check the scorecard. All right, still 2 under after that one. We've got a headwind blowing in our face on this one. Great swing. Decent approach there. 14 feet to the cup from here. This one's on a good line. Nice putt in there for birdie. And after that one, you've brought your score down to 3 under. Good shot. Here's our second shot on this 6th hole. Don't see that every day. I guess you're just going to take that driver off the fairway and be on your way. This is what our 3rd shot's looking like. You could go to 4 under if this goes down. Get there. Oh man, great effort from downtown at that. Worth taking another look. Let's roll the tape. And after that, you're bringing things down to 4 under par. Okay, this hole, we got a tailwind to deal with. Yeah, it looks like this one will play. And here's our second shot on the 7th. And yet another green in regulation for you. All right, this one's about 9 feet from the cup. Well, it's heading towards the hole. Great work. That's your 5th birdie today. All right, and after that, you've brought your score down to 5 under par. This one's going left. Well, missed the green on that one, but I've already forgotten about it. All right, this next putt for the par. Ooh, just missed. Okay, here's our bogey putt. All right, and after that, you've gone up to 4 under. Okay, this one is a par 4. It's on the shorter end. Yeah, you'll take that. Okay, hole number 9, shot number 2. Let's see what you got. Ooh, nicely done on the chip shot. All right, 3 feet to the cup. And ripping out a birdie after bogeying the last. That's what I like to see. And after that one, you're bringing your score down to 5 under. All right, time to attack this back 9, teeing up on hole number 10. We'll take those all day. And this is about 170 yards to the pin. Safe approach, nice. You could take this putt down. You could go to 6 under. Oh! And this next putt for par. Okay, now let's have a check-in on our scorecard. Heads up, wind's blowing left to right here. Maybe this one I'll kick to the left. This could be a birdie if you want to drop this in the hole. Oh, it could be. Oh my. Okay, par putt coming up. And the putt drops and we're moving on. And that's going to keep you at 5 under. Hole number 12 coming at you. Good shot. And this putt is way out there. Best of luck. Oh, come on, get in. That was amazing. And we're going to fire up a replay after that one. After that, when you're at 6 under. Careful out there, the wind's blowing right to left. Nice swing on that. All right, here's our second shot on the 13th. And it looks like you're putting for eagle from here. That's not bad at all. And from 37 feet out. Oh, no. Here's a look for birdie. What a display. 8th birdie of the day in there. And after that one, you're at 7 under. And here comes hole number 14 at us. Setting up here in the first cut of rough. A little bit too much club, maybe. Well, that approach kind of missed the mark a little bit. Okay, here's our third shot. Here we go. Let's save par on this one. I went right by. All right, let's give this one a tap in and move to the next. And you are looking at a 6 under at the moment. And teeing up now on the 15th hole. This is right on the border. I'm not sure if it's going to be rough or fairway. All right, let's make this a short stay at the beach. Good little shot there. Here's a putt to go to 7 under. Oh! And just drop this on in and you'll get a par. Okay, moving on. Left to right cross breeze on this hole. That should do nicely. 29 feet to go. Oh, that was almost in. And 4 feet to go. Looking good. And that was a good putt. 6 under par currently. All right, put this one out in the fairway. Beautiful swing. All right, we're in the fairway bunker. Let's see what you got. Setting up for our third shot. Hey, I'm liking that one. Nice chip. And this one is a save par. Sitting at 6 under par after that one. It's blowing out there. We got a headwind on this hole. I think we're going to be in the fairway with this one. I think I lost it. Whoops, that's not great. Let's get out of this bunker and on our way. Oop, fetched up in the branches here. Setting up here. The ball's a little bit below your feet. Just want you to know. You could get down to 7 under par if this goes in. Oh, this one could drop. Yikes, that went right by. And for the par. And today you get to end your round with a par putt. Good stuff. Okay, this one's done. You've wound up at 6 under for the day. Huh, big gulps, eh? Well, see you later.